Hi everybody, welcome to my video. Now this video is a bit different. I'm in a different location and I'm going to do something I've not done before. Do you remember I got those lovely level 8 suitcases? Well, they also sent me a larger one, which would be good for a family holiday. So what I thought I'd do is I'd ask ChatGPT to tell me what I'd need to take. Oh, that's Peggy wandering around. What I'd need to pack to take on an 8-day holiday in Spain. I don't know if you use ChatGPT, but it's an AI. Don't really know what AI is, artificial intelligence, but I use it quite a bit now once you start using it. Anyway, let me show you this fabulous suitcase and what AI has told me to pack for 8 days in Spain. So if that's something you think you'd like, please keep watching. This is a suitcase and I got it because my daughter and baby are going on holiday soon and I thought it'd be perfect for them. Oh, excuse Peggy barking. It's so good, it's so easy to push. And I think this handle is quite sturdy, I think it would help, pushing, very easy. It just feels effortless, Anyway, this is a Voyager range. And I'm just going to show you what GPT has told me to pack. So just bear with me and I'll show you. Now I've also got, been sent from Level 8, a set of packing cubes. Now I love packing cubes. I always use them, but these are brilliant. They've got, they're expandable. I don't know whether I can show you here. Oh, that's the zip for them. They've got this other zip here that opens up so you can expand them like that. And then when you pack them, you can zip them in and so it'll take up less room, gets all the air out. So that's really, really good. Now, also, there's there's 6 packing cubes, all different sizes. I'm going to show you them in a minute because I'm going to use them. And then this one, this isn't expandable, but this is for your shoes. It's got this like plastic lining, waterproof lining, would we say? I don't know if it's plastic. So this is for your shoes. So ChatGPT said I needed 3 pairs of shoes, a pair of trainers, which I will be going in, a pair of everyday sandals or shoes, which I will be using these. These are Skechers. I'll be going in my Skechers slip-ons, which I love. These are Skechers sandals that I've had years. They're so comfortable. And then a pair of going out shoes. So I'm taking these that I've had for quite a few years. But they're nice because they're comfortable and they've just got that little bit of a heel. He did also say you could take something for around the pool. I won't bother, I'll just be wearing my sandals around the pool. Or maybe a pair of flip-flops. So, these are the shoe ones that have gone in. So that's going at the bottom of my case. So, let's get on with the rest of the packing. So I'm taking, ChatGPT said take 3 dresses, a daytime dress, a nighttime dress and maybe a maxi dress, so this would be my daytime dress. I'm probably going to take 4 dresses. I find them easy sometimes when you're on holiday. I'm going to try rolling them. I'll try rolling in the packing cube. They're really good, these packing cubes. So I'll put that one in. I've got the medium-sized packing cube. Then I've got this dress that you can wear day or night. What I like about these cases is they're very deep. Then I've got this long dress that is great on holiday. Oh, excuse my dog. It's very windy and wet today, and the dustbin men come, the garbage as some of you may call it, And there's a lot of people's bins have blown over, so she can hear them. And then I was just going to take this other dress. So that's 4 dresses I've got. I usually find rolling means they don't crease as much. So I've fit those in that packing cube, the 4 dresses. So when you get to the hotel, you just know that all your dresses are in this one packing cube. I probably fit another one in actually. I think they do have some packing cubes on the website where you can label them. Right, so let's put them in there. And let's see if we can zip it up and make it smaller. Oh, it is zipped up, sorry. Do you know, I think I could perhaps get something else in there. I might try, because it also said take 2 pair of pajamas. So I might try putting those in here as well. I can... So here's my pajamas. I'm going to try at least get 1 pair in, but I'll try and put both pairs in. So I can open it up to put them in. I've opened the zip up to put them in. I'm not going to Spain for 8 days actually, it's just like an imaginary holiday. Look, isn't that brilliant? I got the 2 pairs of pajamas in. So we'll put those in the case there. Now, it also said I needed 5 tops, 2 dressier tops and a vest top. Well, I'm just going to do the tops myself, what I would take. So I would be going in jeans and maybe a jacket, so I don't need to take a jacket. So that's 1 top. Now that goes well with jeans or white trousers. This is another top that goes well with jeans and white trousers. So that's 2 tops. I've got a couple of vest tops, this one. Oh, sorry about my dog. There'll be something in the garden that she's seen. Another vest top, which it looks great with shorts, this. Not that I wear shorts that often, but I do on holiday. Excuse me, I'm just going to have to go and sort my dog out. And I've got, she's here now, Peggy. I've got 2 more tops. This looks great with trousers or skirts. Then another one. Then I've got this one with a sleeve in that I would wear with the brown trousers. Do you remember I got them from Peacocks? So that should go in. And then just one with long sleeves, you know, in case you need one with long sleeves. You know, if you get burnt or what have you. So that's all the tops. It says 2 pairs of shorts. So I've got these cream shorts. I mean, I don't wear shorts, but on holiday I would do. And this would look great with that, you see. With any of them, really. Then a white pair of shorts. Then I'm going to put my swimsuits in here. I've got one, it says take 2 swimsuits. So I've got one tankini. No, one swimsuit. Sorry, that's a swimsuit. And then I've got a tankini. I like tankinis. They're easy to go to the loo, aren't they? So, let's zip this up. So in here I've got 2 pair of shorts, my swimsuits and my tops. Zipped up. Then we're going to zip it to make it smaller so it fits in the case. I love these packing cubes. I've always used packing cubes, you know. I'm not sure I'll be able to zip this all the way because I have put quite... Oh, I can, look. So, that's all the tops and what have you. So that can go in there next to that one. Can you see how neatly they fit in? Right, trousers. So it says, well, 2 pairs of shorts, which I've packed. It says 2 pairs of lightweight trousers, linen or similar. So I think I might have 3 actually. I've got these trousers, do you remember that I got from Peacocks? They'll go with the brown tops and the cream tops. So I'll put them in this packing cube. Then 2 pairs of linen trousers. I always overpack, you know, I'm taking too much, I know. These were the Halara ones. And then these white ones, which if you remember they were from Lintico. And then I take these just for around the pool, just as like a cover up. They're very lightweight. I'm not sure where I got these from. Let me look. Oh, Next, as you might know. It'll be a Next sale item. I might even put a pair of jeans in. You see, I'm taking more than what ChatGPT told me. So, I'm going to close this packing cube up. So all the trousers are in there. So I've actually got 5 pair of trousers in there. There we are. And that is already... Oh no, I can do that here. I don't know whether I'll be able to do this all the way around. We'll see. It's a brilliant idea, this, isn't it? I don't think I can do that one all the way around. I have got 5 pairs of trousers in there. So I'm going to put that here with that over the shoes. Now, what else does it say I need? Oh, swimwear. Lightweight cardigan or denim jacket. I will be travelling in that. 8 pairs of socks, which I don't need. I don't wear socks. Pajamas, which I've packed. Shoes, I've done that. Oh, a sun hat, sunglasses. Well, I've put my sunglasses definitely in my crossbody bag, which I would take with me. So I just need a sun hat. Well, that's no problem, is it? Just bear with me while I get it. I think I got it from Temu. I'm going to pack that now. All my clothes, I've got all my clothes in one side of the case. So I'm just thinking if my daughter took this, she could pack it for her and a baby in this one case. There, so that's one side of the case packed. So all I would need in this side, and I'm not going to show you them because it's just my toiletries and my toothbrush and everything. So I've got a whole side, and you would probably put your toiletries in this wet bit here, you know, the bit that you can do wet. So I think that is absolutely amazing that I've packed all my clothes in one side of this case. Another thing I love about this case is this handle here. Easier to manoeuvre, isn't it? So, that's packed and I've only used half the case. Can't believe it, because when I go on holiday, I'm sitting on the case to close it. So, but I have got my toiletries to put in, but I've put everything else in. So, I think there's a sale on this case as well. Just let me check. It's so easy to push, you know. Now, from June the 15th to the 25th, Level 8 are running a 20% off sale site-wide. So if you're in the market for a really good suitcase, it's a good time to take a look. You know, you could get packing cubes or whatever, it's site-wide. So I hope you've enjoyed this little packing thing. I just thought it'd be a bit different than showing you all the cases together. And I've enjoyed doing it, and I'll definitely use ChatGPT to plan my wardrobes again. I mean, I have taken a little bit more than what it said, and obviously I would have my toiletries and my chargers and things like that to pack. But you can see how much space there is in here. I'm sure it'll be brilliant for my daughter and my granddaughter. So thank you so much, and thank you to Level 8 for sending the cases. I will put all the details in the description box. It really is a lovely case, this. They have it in some nice colours, but I let my daughter choose and she chose navy. I would have chosen one of the nice colours, you know, but she's quite a conservative person. So anyway, it's a good case, you know, but I quite like to see, if you've got a different coloured one, it's easy to spot, isn't it, on the conveyor belt, and they do those. So take a look at the website. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.